You are so wrong about Bitcoin, and in this video I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know, because Bitcoin is right now doing some crazy stuff. Since yesterday we can see literally right now that Bitcoin broke out of this massive symmetrical triangle. We literally broke out perfectly, and we saw a crazy 4% move from off this breakout point all the way to here. It was absolutely insane. However, right now we are actually quite dumping to the downside again. We were literally trading right around $35,500 this morning, and right now we are already dumping back towards the $34,400 level. So in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly why you are so wrong on Bitcoin and what you can expect from Bitcoin in the next couple of days, because it literally, the last few predictions I did, I was literally telling you guys that we were probably going to see one more pump and that everything was going to go crazy. And yes guys, right now things are starting to heat up a little bit, so my predictions have been right this far. So yes guys, let me just give you guys some more predictions of what's happening. So we can see right now that we broke out of the symmetrical triangle like I said, and we are right now actually supporting from off this massive resistance line we used as resistance. We broke through it and now acting as support, which is actually one of the things that in my opinion is quite bullish. What we are seeing right now is just a retest of this massive symmetrical triangle together with a higher high, potentially sending us even higher. So I'm actually quite bullish on this chart right here. Then secondly, we actually broke within our old range again. We can see we broke out of a new range and we actually started creating a new range, somewhat of a new range. However, now we are back within the red and green box right here, where we've been trading in all the way since the 24th of October when we saw that massive pump, and then we just started consolidating and now we're back into this range. And I will not be surprised if we potentially test this orange area right here, maybe that green area, and then just keep on consolidating before going back up. However, there is also a massive chance, of course, that we are going to create somewhat of a potential higher high together with this massive support line we have right here. But there is a lot more we need to discuss about, so let's just immediately jump into that, because that's a lot more interesting. But before I do so, if you right now literally go to the first link or second link in the description, you can literally enter into a free 1000 USDT airdrop giveaway hosted by Bybit, or you can literally claim up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses completely for free. You can choose whichever one you like, because if you right now sign up using a Bybit account using any of those two links, you will literally get up to either $30,000 completely for free, or you can literally have a chance to win 200 USDT completely for free. So how it works, the first one is simply a giveaway Bybit is currently hosting to all my followers, so there's a small chance that you win a 200 USDT airdrop giveaway. And if you use the second link, based on how much you're depositing after creating your account, you can literally get up to 30k, so make sure to check it out. It's really cool. So yeah guys, right now what I'm expecting for Bitcoin, what are my predictions going to be? Well, it's going to be quite obvious right here. We are right now literally still into a small uptrend. Since we created this massive pump to the upside, we have literally not seen more than like a 2% dump to the downside, which is really bullish, and what has actually been happening the last few times as well. We literally right here, every time we saw a massive pump to the upside, we literally just have been consolidating to the upside. And I'm just going to say it right here, I am not surprised if we're simply going to consolidate all the way till we reach around 36 to 37k, because that's of course where our massive area of next resistance is going to lay. So yeah, I'll just straight up wouldn't be surprised if we're going to simply go up to that level slowly. It's not going to happen within a single day. We are slowly going to reach 37k, and that's also when our spot Bitcoin ETF application needs to be approved, guys. So yes, we literally have 69 more days left before the SEC needs to decide if all spot Bitcoin ETFs will be approved or not. And we all know that last time this happened, we saw more than a $4,000 pump. So I wouldn't be surprised that once we finally get to the deadline, which is right around this level right here, that we are already trading at 37k, and from that level we are simply going to push through maybe even 45k. We could potentially reach 45k once that spot Bitcoin ETF gets accepted. So my predictions right now are really simple. Bitcoin is looking really bullish in my opinion. I don't see any reason why we are right now not bullish, as long as we don't break this red box, green box right around this level. I am still quite bullish. I'm actually really bullish. So yeah guys, like I just literally already said, I am expecting just slow consolidation to the upside, just like we saw right here, and right here. And then once we are reaching into that deadline for the Bitcoin spot ETF, then most likely somewhere between the 10th of January, somewhere before that, a few days before that, we are most likely going to get a day where simply all Bitcoin spot ETFs will simply be announced all at once, causing Bitcoin most likely to pump to around 45k, because like I said, we are already at 37k then, and from that level we have a lot of resistance. However, that spot Bitcoin ETF improvement is going to push us right through it, sending us maybe all the way to 45k, or maybe between 40 and 45k, somewhere around that level, and from there we can consolidate in this new box. That is literally currently what I'm expecting. I've just said it right here. This is my entire game plan on what I think is going to happen, and you've probably not decided, you thought something else, and I know that a lot of people on Twitter are also not expecting something like this to play out. However, you just have to be, you just need to know that there is a massive chance that within the next couple of days or next couple of weeks, maybe all the way till the 10th of January, we are just not going to see much interesting price action. Of course, we can see a 1-2% pump, some days maybe a 4% pump, but not much at all, and we are slowly just going to grind to 37k, but it's not going to be quick and easy, just like this massive pump from 24.8k to like 31k. It was crazy. 34k, we went crazy. That's not going to happen again. This is my entire game plan, guys. I hope I gave some useful information in this video you can potentially use for your own trading. Prepare for some boring price action, but in the end, Bitcoin always goes to the upside. Go check right now the first and second link in the description for literally the freest money you will ever get. And I would really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. We are literally growing like crazy, and we're almost at 500 subscribers. So I'd really appreciate it if you could get there somewhere next week. It will be absolutely insane, guys. So that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube crypto video.